Hola, bienvenidos a la clase de español. Esta es la señora Vaz. Hello and welcome to Spanish class. I'm Mrs. Vaz and I will be your teacher this year, your Spanish teacher this year. About me, I'm going to tell you a little bit about me. You can call me Señora Vaz, and I have a bachelor's degree in Spanish and English. I have been teaching for 27 years. 16 of those years I have been in Union County, and 13 of them have been at Puerto Rich Middle. I am so glad that you are here in my class now. Let me tell you a little bit about the class. This is how your Canvas page must look like. Here you will have your grade level, so you will find your page according to your grade level. I organize the information by modules, so I think it's easy for you to find it if it's by modules. So the first module is just general information, and then you have frequently asked questions section, where I have put questions that my students are asking me several times. So I just put there with some videos, instructions on how to do certain things for the class. And then there's a section with the vocabulary that you're going to have access to, so you can learn the vocabulary that we are working on in the class. And then I start with the class plans weekly. So I put plans for the week, and then you will know what to do during the week. Let's see here. Here you have your Spanish syllabus. You're going to click and you're going to find your syllabus. This is just a welcome note, and then the information on how to contact me. Then you have different things that you're just going to read together as a family, and when you read, you check the box, click next, and same with the others, just keep going. If you have any questions, I have the expectations there, so we know what page we are, all the same page. And here's the supplies and wish list, the assignments and the gradings, how the assignments and grading goes, etc., etc. So you just keep going. Here, what to keep in mind for the class, and then there is the information of the student and the parent right here. And at the bottom you have a section for comments in case that you have a question or you need to make a comment or you had doubts about something, so you can just go ahead and do it there. Back to the page. Usually we're gonna go on the home page. Back to the page, you're gonna find the contact information that you also have in the syllabus. Here you have direct access to the contact information, and I made a section about procedures. So you will find some useful tips about how we do the procedures in class. I put some of the things that I could remember, but it's probably going to be modifying some things that I probably forgot. I'm going to be adding. Okay. The next one, if we go back to the home page, we can click next there, but we're going to go back, is the late work policy. Very important, because when you don't turn your work on time, this policy goes in place, and you're going to have to use a Google form to turn in your late work. So we will see all these procedures in class once we get together, but I just want to give you the heads up. All right. And then, as I told you, frequently asked questions, the vocabulary, and then your class plans. So for now, that's all the information I have. I will be giving you more information when we meet personally. And I'm sorry I cannot be there today for you, but I hope to be there the first day to welcome you to the school. Thank you, gracias, y nos vemos. Hasta pronto.